Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to change your Discord account's password. Changing your Discord password is important to keep your account secure. Whether you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for safety, here is how you do it. First of all, open up your Discord application and log into your account. Once you're in the home page, tap on the U button at the bottom right corner. Inside the U menu, tap on the gear button at the top right, and then from the settings option, tap on the account button. Inside account, scroll down to password and tap on it. You can then type down your current password in the first tab. Make sure to type in the password that you were using to log into your account. After typing down your password, in the next field, type in the new password you want to change to. Finally, click on Change Password and your password will be updated. And that's it. Your Discord password is now changed. Always use a strong password and avoid sharing it with others for your security. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.